Alef Aeronautics is officially taking a huge step toward the future, and it's happening right out of San Mateo, California. The company just announced that it has actually started building its Model A Ultralight flying car. And yes, real customers are already in line to get their hands on it. What's really cool is that these first units aren't being churned out by massive robots on an assembly line. Alef says the early versions will be carefully handmade, piece by piece. This first build phase is going to take a few months, and it's almost like watching a luxury watch being assembled. There's a lot of hand craftsmanship involved, with some help from industrial and robotic tools where needed. While the team is putting these early vehicles together, they'll also be running tons of component tests and doing repeated test flights to make sure everything performs exactly the way it should. Alef says this slow, meticulous process is all part of the plan. By hand-building the first models, the company gets the chance to fine-tune every production method before scaling up to full automated manufacturing at its Silicon Valley facility. Think of these early builds as the prototype plus stage, real vehicles for real customers, but also a crucial learning step before mass production. Only a small circle of early adopters will get these handmade flying cars, and Alef will be keeping a close eye on everything. The company is handling training, compliance, and maintenance for these first owners, making sure the vehicles are used safely and gathering tons of real-world data along the way. All of that info will help Alef prepare for full-scale delivery and tackle the massive demand behind its 3,500 pre-orders, which the company says adds up to about $1 billion worth of interest. The Model A Ultralight itself is designed to be fully electric, with the ability to take off vertically and then transition into forward flight, basically giving you a mix of drone-like lift and airplane-style movement. Alef also expects the vehicle to meet the requirements for driving on regular roads, so you're essentially looking at something that can roll out of your driveway and lift off into the sky when needed. The future of commuting is starting to look wild, and Alef is moving full speed, or full altitude, toward making it real.